Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add a countdown timer on Wix. So first is you have to go to your editor settings, and then once that you're in your website, make sure to add a section where you can put your countdown. See, for example, you can just click on add section and then you'll be able to add a new page where you can put your timer. Okay, so now just click on the add elements at the top left. Okay, and then use the search bar to type out countdown. Okay, and then click on enter. Now that you're here, you just have to go to the app market to see more different app countdown. And then once that you're in the Wix app market, just type out countdown again. Okay, and then click on enter. And here you'd be able to see 22 results for countdowns. You'd be able to see the ratings of each app. So for this video, I'm going to use this urgency countdown timer and just click on it and then click on add to site. Okay, and then you just have to agree and add. Just click on it, and once you've done that, you'll be able to see your countdown timer. So just click on settings, and once you're here, you'd be able to choose if you want to use the countdown timer to date or countdown time. You can also countdown time per visitor. So you can upgrade to pro version if you want to add it. So for now, let's just click on the countdown to date. Okay, and then once you've done that, go to the content, and right here you have to select the countdown date. So from February 28 to March 5, I think. So let's just try to put a 5 right here and then just click on enter. So as you can see, our countdown timer has changed. So after that, you can also go to design and also go to pro tips and other apps. So let's not focus on those things. You can explore that. And after that, you just have to click on the X icon. As you can see, we have now days, hour, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.